Need to track hours for payroll, or bill clients accurately for your time? The built-in time tracking in QuickBooks Online connects the dots between work done and money collected. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. First, ensure time tracking is turned on in your settings. Then, you and your team can log time. You can enter it manually in the Time Activity section, or use the handy QuickBooks Time mobile app to track with a tap. The magic is in the details. When entering time, assign it to the correct customer and service item. This links the hours directly to a specific job. My crucial pro tip: approve time before it becomes billable or payroll ready. Set up a routine where a manager reviews and approves timesheets. This ensures accuracy before hours are added to an invoice or sent to payroll, preventing costly corrections later. From tracked time, you can instantly add those hours to a client's invoice or run payroll reports for your employees. Do you track time for billing, for payroll, or both? How has it changed your business? Share your experience below. For more guides on efficient workflows, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.